Management Plus to me is a team of people I've known for many years in different roles, and they're building a great organisation. I think it's built on partnership, it's built on expertise. These are things I really appreciate because I started down a similar path 12 years ago with my firm, and I see a lot of the same qualities which make me very confident they'll be a success. I think for our clients as well, our mutual clients, the expertise they bring, the solutions they bring are tremendous, and I'm looking forward to many more years of success and partnership together.
So I think Management Plus, for me means integrity, teamwork, and professionalism. I think that's what it means to me.
So Management Plus means asset management plus many other services that they can offer to their clients.
This is a group of people who care passionately about the funds industry, who are interested in getting involved and solving problems, and who want to have fun doing it.
Management Plus is passion, drive, commitment and perseverance. I think Bill is very passionate about the fund industry and about Luxembourg. He's committed to the Luxembourg industry and he's persevered, he's built his business, and I think that's great values for his clients.
Management Plus is a small group of people who have come from very diverse backgrounds from across the globe to help clients solve their problems. They have expertise in many different areas. We bring all this together to give a client a broader focus and background to the problems that they face every day. And in that way, we try to help them and add value to their process each day and every day that we're involved.
Management Plus to me is an opportunity. We have an industry that's in various stages of maturity in different jurisdictions, and I think there's really a need for people with the subject matter expertise that the folks at Management Plus have to add value to clients. And so think of it as a big opportunity, and I'm looking forward to it.
Management Plus means to me deep asset class knowledge, a strong governance principle, and exceptional opportunity in the Luxembourg fund industry.
Management Plus is about providing the infrastructure and support for the fund management industry, and it's about providing the right setup and right kind of independent directors to the fund industry, and really a gateway into the Luxembourg fund business. So it's a great thing to happen for the industry, and we really look forward to it.
For me, Management Plus means the future of management companies in Luxembourg. They are well prepared, they have the most knowledge, in-depth knowledge of the themes that they discuss, and more importantly, they have the commitment to their clients and their consumers. So for me, Management Plus is something new in the sense that it will definitely bring the future of management companies in Luxembourg.